guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I am going to be creating this look you see here using the new Supreme Bronze palette by Artist Couture. I'm really excited to use this palette again. This is going to be my second look using it, you guys. And yeah, so I wanted to really just create this eye look, and you guys, I totally messed up. I really wanted to do the face with you guys as well. I start off with my NARS soft matte foundation. I didn't like how it looked when it came to contouring and highlighting, so I had to just take everything off and do my face all over again except the eyes. So I'm really just trying to like save this video and show you guys how I created just the eye look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, just please keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I am going to start off with an eyeshadow base, and for eyeshadow base I'm using the P. Louis base number 3, and I'm going to apply some on the back of my hand and apply it with a P. Louis brush all over the lid. Just mix it up. And blend it out with just a blending brush. Just tap that base in. Oh, here's another way. So I'm going to set that base with the One Size translucent powder, you guys. I don't remember who I saw that does this, and it really works like for eyeshadow not to move around. And I'm not saying that the P. Louis base doesn't set quickly, but when I tried this, it really worked, so I just want to try it again. So I'm going to set that base and make sure it's not like creased or anything. And I'm saying it because I did apply concealer to clean up my brows, just to kind of get that sharp brow effect, and I think I got some concealer on my lid, so I feel like it's going to crease with my base. So I'm just going to set that. So for palette, you guys, I'm going to use the Artist Couture Supreme Bronze palette, you guys. I want to use it again. I want to just keep playing with it. I absolutely loved it the first time I used it. And I'm going to start off with the shade Toasty, which is this one right here. Absolutely love that shade. I used it on my previous look and I want to use it again. So I'm just going to use that same brush that I used to set my base, and going to tap off any of the remaining powder. It is getting so hot here in California, you guys. It's like literally 5:35 a.m. and it's super hot already, and the lights, oh my god, it's getting me super hot. So if you see me sweating, don't mind me. I'm just gonna sweat. Okay, you guys, so I did bring it all the way to my nose, like right here. And I saw this I saw Harush's new video. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. I saw her new video with Patrick Star, and I saw that she brings her shade all the way to the front, and I really love that. I love how that looks. So I'm gonna try it. I'm trying it out, and I'm just bringing it all the way to the front like that. Okay, you guys, so for my next shade, I'm going to be using Sun Kiss, which is this beautiful orange right here, and I'm going to apply that onto the outer corner of my eye and bring it up towards my crease. I love how that brown and orange look together, you guys. And I really love that I set the base because I feel like the powders look so much better. Okay, so I'm going back in with that other brush, you guys, and I'm going to blend them out. I'm going to blend them together just like that. So now I'm grabbing a blending brush, you guys, and it just looks like this, and it's by Morphe, and I'm going to blend out those shades together. And I forgot to mention that the brush is clean, so I don't have there's no product in it. I'm just blending out. I'm going to be using that one right there, and it's gilded. Such a beautiful gold shimmer shade, and I'm using my ring finger, of course, and I'm going to apply that right there in the lid. Yes, beautiful. I'm just going to apply it like that. I don't want to get it on top of the, like, on the crease, so just like that. Okay, so now I'm grabbing this Morphe brush, and this is from the Morphe and Ariel collection, and it's the A29, and I'm going to grab the shadow and apply some, because I don't want to get any on the crease with my finger, and I have a pretty big finger, so you can see that beautiful gold shimmer, how it just pops out. So now I'm going back in with that Morphe brush that I used for the orange shade, you guys, and I'm going to apply a little bit more of that orange shade to just blend in that golden and orange. This is probably like the easiest look, you guys. So perfect for summer, for those days that it's really hot and you just want to throw on a quick shadow. This is like the right amount of product that you can use for those days. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to apply some eyeliner, and for eyeliner I'm using the One Size Point Made liner, and I'm actually not going to create a wing. I'm just going to, I'm sorry I keep looking that way, but it's just that I'm looking at myself in the monitor, and anyways, I'm going to just do a line. I'm not going to wing it out. I just want like a base for my lashes pretty much. So for the lashes, you guys, I'm going to be using the Beauty Creations in the style Too Cocky. So I'm going to put those on and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I am back and I'm pretty much done with my face. Not fully done, but you guys are not going to believe it. I actually started off, well, obviously you guys saw that I started off the tutorial with foundation on already, and I had the NARS Soft Matte Foundation in Aruba. And you guys, since this is a soft matte foundation, it did dry down on me, and then I went in with my Too Faced Born This Way sculpting concealers to contour and highlight. And oh my god, you guys, so when I set the concealers, I had patchiness all over my cheeks. Like, it didn't look right, and I had to just take everything off, and I just didn't like how it looked, so I just had to take everything off. And I went in with my Too Faced Undetectable medium to full coverage concealer in the shade Natural Beige. I have not used this foundation in a minute, and I forgot what it felt like, and I really love how it feels on my skin. And I think I'm going to give my NARS Soft Matte Foundation a break. Honestly, like, I've been breaking out for the past month, and I've been like trying to see what it is that's breaking me out. And the fact that I am doing a treatment for my acne, like my breakouts, I use my salicylic acid cleanser, and I've been doing some masks, so my face is a little drier it's more on the drier side now, so I feel like my NARS Soft Matte Foundation kind of just doesn't go with my skin right now. Okay, you guys, so the reason why I purchased Toffee was because obviously I want to use it for contouring, and I want to give my Huda Beauty Tantour Cream a break, and I want to actually just see if this is what's breaking me out. Maybe it's a little too heavy for me. The reason why I'm telling you guys about me breaking out is because I've been breaking out around my neck area, and I know that I break out here around my mouth area because I've been wearing my mask, I've been wearing makeup and then my mask on top, and I know that that's for a fact that I have breakouts here. But other than that, like, I feel like maybe this is breaking me out because it's just right here, and I don't know, like, and then I get some breakouts here, but it's not, they're not as intense as like right here. So I'm just going to give that a break, try this out. And I used to use the Benefit Blowing Concealer in the shade, I think number 9, I think, I don't remember, but that's the one I used to use before, and I really loved it. I'm just going to like try to figure it out with the time. But anyways, you guys, moving on to I'm going to put some eyeliner, and I'm going to be putting on a black liner today, eyeliner, and I'm going to be using this ColourPop eyeliner. Now that that eyeliner is on, I'm going in with the shades that I use, which is Sunkissed and Toasty, and I'm just going to mix those up. Mix those together and put them underneath my eye. Okay, you guys, so this is a final look. I absolutely love how the eyeshadow came out, and obviously the rest of my face, you guys, it was very unplanned for me to use the Born This Way foundation, but I ended up using it, and I miss it so much. I miss using this foundation. I'm actually going to get back to it. I'm going to start using this one since I do want more of a dewy finish now that it's summer. I've been stuck on my NARS foundation, soft matte foundation, ever since it came out, and I really just need to like start trying out like different foundations, and I'm glad I'm back to this one. And for concealers, I'm back to using my Too Faced concealer, and I'm obviously going to be giving this a try, this toffee shade, for a while. I'm going to be trying it out and seeing whether the Huda Beauty Cream Tantour was breaking me out. So yeah, you guys, so that's pretty much it. I love the outcome. I know that my plan was to do my face with you guys, but it didn't come out as I planned. But I hope you guys did enjoy what I'm giving you guys in this tutorial. And if you did like my video, please don't forget to like this video and comment something sweet down below. And comment down your favorite foundation at the moment, so I can kind of know, like, I want to try out other foundations and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you guys can get an alert when I do upload. And don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, you guys, if you're not. So bye, I'll see you guys in my next video. Like, seriously, like, bitch, nobody's gonna want to watch you once they see your brush up like that. They're gonna be like, oh, that girl's messy. I don't want to watch myself. I'm just kidding. Okay.